If your bike can't keep the choke up, I got a simple fix for that. So my bike has this rather embarrassing problem. It can't keep the choke up reliably. If you just flick it, this thing falls. And what happens is when I cold start it, it usually turns off, or sometimes this thing won't even stay up. Right now it's actually staying up, but if I just flick it a little bit, you can see it barely stays up. I guess this happens with age. Can't keep it up, so I've heard anyway. Of course, you can replace this whole choke assembly with a $30 new choke, but I got a little fix that will take care of that. But we're going to give it the Chokalis treatment, which is nothing more than putting a zip tie around this boot and allowing the choke to stay up. And also, if you don't have any of these micro cutters, they're awesome. They're awesome for making flush cuts on the zip tie end, so that way it doesn't cut you. Before we get into this fix, make sure to talk to your engine doctor to see if Chokalis is right for your bike. The engine doctor will determine if your engine is healthy enough for a Chokalis treatment. Call your engine doctor if you have a sudden loss or decrease in compression. If the choke stays up for more than 4 hours, please go see your engine doctor. Side effects of the choke staying up too long may result in rich running, poor gas mileage, fouled plugs, and lots of smoke from the exhaust. If you think Chokalis is right for your bike, talk to your engine doctor. Take action and prescribe a Chokalis treatment for your ride so it can perform like a young two-stroke again and fire up when cold properly.